Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Jyotika, Deepika. How are you?
Hare Krishna. Very good. Hare Krishna. Very good.
Very good.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, everyone. Please accept my humble obeisances. Warm welcome to the most, what we can say, most blessed people who are regularly coming at the same time for the chanting of the holy name. Thank you so much for joining every day on time. So we'll begin our chanting. I wanted to mention, chanting is the only way for attaining Krishna. So and this chanting the holy name does not depend upon the devotional services that we are doing does not depend upon somebody taken in birth in a good family or any other paraphernalia. Simply by just being humble and with meekness, we can attract Krishna. So only these two things are very important. When if one becomes humble and meek, he will definitely serve the lotus feet of Krishna. So with this humility, humble attitude, I welcome our Japa speaker today, Sonia Mataji. We are very fortunate to have Sonia Mataji again for our Japa talk. Mataji, warm welcome to you. Dandavat Pranam. Please enlighten us with your Japa talk today.
Hare Krishna devotees, all glories to Srila Prabhupada, Dandavat Pranam to all of you. So Monday, which has gone, so all of you have seen a drama on Jagannath Ji, and the devotee's name was Raghudas. So you have seen the bhava of Raghudas. So what happens is that when we start doing our sadhana bhakti, like now we are chanting, many of you must be offering also some bhoga to the Lord, a little sadhana bhakti we all are doing. So then what happens is that we want to develop a certain kind of relationship with the God. So the bhava starts coming in our heart, that we want to develop a particular kind of quality, a particular kind of relationship with the Supreme Lord. So I mean, there are 5 kinds of bhava which we can develop with the Lord. So one is called Shanta Bhava, loving God as a supreme governor. Dasya Bhav, loving God as a master. Sakhya Bhav, loving God as your close friend. Vatsalya Bhav, loving God as your child. And Madhurya Bhav, loving God as your beloved. So each of these loving sentiments have their own quality of divine love and bliss. So today I'm going to tell you a story of Raghudasa again with Lord Jagannath, because Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra is still going on. So I thought, let me share the pastime of Lord Jagannath with his dear devotee Raghudas. And this bhava is Sakhya Bhav. Sakhya Bhav means having a friendly relationship with Lord. So what happens is that once Raghudas was happily sleeping in the night and he heard a knock at the door. He opens the door and he sees Lord Jagannath standing in front of him. So Lord Jagannath said, "Come, Raghudas, let us go." So Raghudas said, "Where, Lord? Where do you want to take me?" He said, "Today I want to steal jackfruits." So Lord said, "Today I want to steal jackfruit." Raghudasa said, "Lord, but if you want jackfruit, I will bring the jackfruit from the best of the tree and I will serve you." So the Lord said, no, there is no fun in eating jackfruit like this, and you devotees keep giving me everything. Well, actually everything belongs to me, but I want to have some fun. You know, when I was in Vrindavan also, Mother Yashoda will churn the best of butter for me and she used to feed me. But still, I used to go and steal the butter from the house of the gopis, and that used to give me a lot of pleasure, a lot of happiness. So today also, I want to experience the same happiness. Poor Raghudas, kya kar sakta tha? Bhagwan ki baat to sunni hi thi usko. So he said, "Okay, my Lord, let us go." So Lord said, "Okay, let's go to the garden of the king." Raghudas said, "Fine, my Lord." So Lord was instructing Raghudas and Raghudas was following. So it was a cakewalk for a Lord to jump over the fence and enter the garden of the king. But it was little difficult for Raghudas. Anyhow, he somehow managed. Now Lord tells Raghudas, "You climb this tree." So Raghudas said, "Okay, my Lord." So Raghudas climbed the tree and he said, "You look for the big jackfruit, and then you pluck it and throw it down. I will catch it. So Raghudas was like, okay, he did not have any choice actually. So he plucked the jackfruit and he said, Lord, are you ready to catch it? Jagannath said, yeah, phenko, main catch karunga. I'm ready to catch it. So Raghudas dropped the jackfruit, and what he sees, the Lord runs away. He vanishes from the scene. And you know what would happen? The jackfruit fell on the ground and it breaks. And there was a big sound also. So moment there was a big sound, you know what would have happened? The guards came and they were shocked to see Raghudas on the top of the tree, because Raghudas was a known personality. He was known as the dearmost devotee of the Lord. Everyone in Jagannath Puri knew that how pious Raghudas is. So now the guards are also confused that what is Raghudas doing in the middle of night on the top of the tree. Then they ran to the king and they told that Raghudas is sitting on the top of the tree and he is stealing jackfruits. So king also came with his ministers. Anyways, king asked, and he was also very amused actually to see Raghudas on the top of a tree. He asked Raghudas, what are you doing there? You should have asked me, I would have given you jackfruit. Then he narrated the entire pastime that this is what has happened to with me actually. Anyhow, then king says, okay, Raghudas, you come down, don't worry. Nobody is going to harm you. And we have understood from this pastime that it is the desire of Jagannath to eat jackfruit. So what we learn from this story is that we know when Arjuna heard Bhagavad Gita, he acted on the will of the Lord. So what is the last instruction which Lord gave to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 18, verse 66? Sarva dharman parityajaya mam ekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshasyami ma sucha. Abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reactions. Do not fear. So Lord Chaitanya is none other than Krishna himself. And he has told us to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is the dharma of this Kali Yuga. So in this mood, let us all surrender at the lotus feet of Lord Hari, chant his names, Krishna, Kana, Jagannath, Dwarkadish, Govinda, Yashodananda, Narayan, Narsingadev, Keshav, and just free ourselves from all fears, anxieties, lamentations. Let us give charge of our life in the hands of Krishna and live a fearless life. This type of surrender of Raghudas is only possible if we chant the holy names of Lord with faith and humility. And this is the blessed platform in the association of devotee. This kind of faith deepens and strengthens. Hare Krishna.
Jagannath Swami ki jai. Thank you so much, Mataji, for narrating such a beautiful pastime and enlightening us with the pastime of Lord Jagannath in this special occasion of the Jagannath Rath Yatra, which is going on. It's such a blissful thing. Like it's very less fortunate. Like we are very fortunate that we are able to hear this pastime from such a sincere devotee. Thank you so much, Mataji, again. Yeah, so let's go move ahead to the japa. I request Abhishek Prabhuji today to chant the Panchtattva mantra.
Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे।
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानंद
प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा।
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। युग धर्म हरिनाम संकीर्तन यज्ञ की जय।